Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. And after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on and HUAWEI logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and here you have such options as restart, clear data. In clear data you also have option wipe cache partition and factory reset, and you also have an update mode and save mode. If you want to exit this mode, just select the first option, restart, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.